Breeze installation, just hang over the door, wire-free. Country of origin: China. Superior network connectivity with indoor Wi-Fi and antenna. Listen to your visitors with full duplex audio. Top reviews from the United States. Easy setup. Finally, a security camera for apartment dwellers. Easy setup. Connect to Wi-Fi, place it on top of your door. Not long ago, I purchased the first DoorCam, but could not get it to connect to my Wi-Fi. I'm so glad they decided to upgrade their device. The first week I had trouble with it performing sporadically, but through customer support, I found that it was an issue with my RSSI numbers. This was a problem that had to get resolved through my Wi-Fi provider. Shout out to the Remo support team who responds to your emails within 24 hours.